Today we are talking about cardinal numerals. Let's do some phonetics exercise. My cat is black, my cat is fat, my cat likes rats, rats are fat. Sound A. Rain, rain, go to Spain, never come back again. Answer question. How old are you? I'm 9. Repeat it, please. How old is she? She is 7. Repeat it. How old is he? He is 10. Repeat it after me. Let's do some physical exercise. We are running, we are jumping. Try and sky to get. We are skipping. Try and sky to get. We are flying like a real jet. We are hopping, we are climbing like a funny cat. Listen to the text, answer with the questions. How old is Kirk? How old is Bruce? How old is Shirley? How old is Clive? How old is Ellen? How old is George? How old is Mary? Now, remember please, we should add the end of the word teen, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Repeat please. Now, we should add the end of the word T. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Repeat. Let's repeat the mixed numbers. 41, 55, 67, 38, 29. Now, what do you know? What do you want to know? What have you learned yet? Please answer. Thank you.